What's up, everybody? It is Matt from ElectricAllWheel. We are back again at Tarp and Tom's e-bikes in Palm Harbor, Florida. Brad, one of my favorite places to be. Casualty. I think this is a Lectric XP Lite 2.0.
Yeah.
And I think the ticket says it just doesn't turn on.
Yeah, it just quit on one day. They couldn't get to turn on.
We're here to see what's up. I feel like the order of this thing should be the battery.
Yeah.
My presumption is going to be controller, but we'll check battery with the voltmeter, roll out to the display just because we can take the extra one out of the bag and test it.
Yeah.
Just by one plug-in. If it doesn't work, then we know what the culprit is, and then we'll pop the battery plate out of there, unplug the motor, undo the zip ties, pull it out, put the other one in, test it up, and then see if we can bring this new e-bike back to life. Do you know how long they've had it?
Only a few months. It's not very old.
Okay,
Yeah.
so uncommon occurrence, but it does happen, and Lectric came through in a pinch, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
How quickly did you get all that stuff?
A week.
It was a
Yeah,
week?
yeah.
But you called, and they were just like, gotcha, and then sent over a care package?
Yeah.
So, let's see. Display, controller, and harness.
And keypad.
And
don't forget that.
Oh yeah, because it plugs in separately now. Yeah. It's no longer a single package unit. All right. Well, we're going to get to it. If you haven't already, give us a like and subscribe on YouTube. It is our primary, and if you're in the area, check out e-bikes of Tampa Bay, Florida. Get in that Facebook group, make an event, and go for a ride with your friends. And as always, if you need work on your electric products, your e-bikes, any e-bike, but especially electric, come see Brad here at Tarp and Tom's e-bikes. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right. You're going to have to edit out all the...
It's not going to be possible.
So we're going to test the voltage of the battery first. I always test the battery first just because, especially in a no turning on kind of situation, it's the furthest upstream. Everything starts with the battery. So
yeah,
rule that out first. Make sure your battery's okay and you're not dealing with a dead battery.
So a lot of people don't know this, but on these batteries, it looks like there's 5 pins and they're live, but there's only 2 connections.
Yeah. And if you look, they're marked. You'll see there's a positive and negative on the...
So negative's up top, positive is at the bottom.
We're at 53.9. So let's say it's a good battery.
All right, perfect.
So shut that off.
Prediction stands.
All right. You have a online, like, you know, voting, betting kind of thing going on, what it's going to be.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
So what else
from
would
the battery,
we do with our day?
I usually go to the display just because it's the easiest thing to try to rule out. And again, from the battery, if your button isn't turning on, if your display is fried or something, none of it's going to work. So on the new Lectrics, the button keypad is separate from the display. So it really could be just a keypad and not the display. Let's see what we got here. Display, keypad.
All the goodies.
Yeah. So let's start with the keypad. See if that's it, huh?
No way.
No?
No, not a chance.
Now's your time to lock in your vote.
Controller for the win. I'm going to Vegas.
All right.
Wes, what do you think it is?
The bike?
Yeah.
The
Controller.
Oh.
Yeah. Controller's unanimous.
All right. Keypad. Nada.
Nothing.
All right. Sorry, keypad voters. Not the keypad.
No longer in it to win.
So from there, we'll swap out the display.
I already opened up the controller. Don't hate me.
All right.
Not trying to presume or anything.
I guess I'll undo this again.
So when you look at these, it's just line up the arrows, right?
Yeah. Hey, can you see that? There.
Yeah.
Grimy thumbs down there.
You're a working man.
All right. Display. New
Drum
display.
roll.
Original keypad. No dice.
No dice. Knew it.
Yeah.
That's the M7, right? Is that the color?
Yeah.
Is it M7C2 or something like that?
The last thing it could be, is there a harness in there? It's in a harness?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the last thing.
But
That's the last thing we want it to be.
it's too late in the day to be messing with the harness.
Right.
We'll have to come back. That'll be a to be continued
that's a
video
more-
if that's the case.
Yeah. Really, it shouldn't be a big deal, but it's all this wire wrapping stuff that really just draws out the project. All right. Go. This room there.
So 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the removal, you've got to think about the pads, and then you've also got to think about the motor wire, which is tucked up in behind the kickstand plate here. So that'll be part of that. Better than a drill, bro.
Yeah. All right. There's your controller.
As you can see, there's only 2 connections here,
Grab my.
and they correspond to the outer pins of the plate.
Yeah.
I see you trying to save that last zip tie.
There's no need to cut it. There's.
All right, so what was that? That's the rear
Oh,
light.
there, yeah, rear tail light there. Motor wire.
It's cable harness, huh? That's going to be a doozy. All right, so if you're ever in this scenario, you got to make sure that this goes back on really tight. You saw a little bit of a struggle, and it's intentionally done that way. And there's 2 ribs on the end of this harness, and you just want to make sure you get past the first one and into the second one when putting them on. All
Right.
the money.
You made me bleed.
I've
My
bled,
own
I've
blood.
bled on plenty of electrics. So.
Yeah. They're pretty sharp.
So do you do it in any particular order, or
No, just.
I guess your focus is because of that short cable for the harness, right?
Find your arrows. Turn top. Oof. could have been the problem from the beginning. They, from the factory, they couldn't get.
Yeah, they're tight for sure.
Yeah. All right. So that. Snake the motor wire through. And brake light wire.
Oh my.
Moment of truth.
You gonna do an open bike test?
Yeah. I don't like have to take it back apart.
Did you get 4-inch black tires today?
4-inch black?
Yeah.
20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, remember that? The guy with the black tires on the white Reserve? He used to buy this one, black tires.
The blue one? Okay.
I showed him a call tomorrow.
Nice. Man, I could put these plugs right where you can't reach them, huh?
I mean, it's time to sacrifice that zip tie.
I guess.
That one.
You get to a zip tie.
The greater good.
Yeah. I guess to ensure a good, solid connection. It always surprises me, like how that last little 2 millimeters
That
will make a
edge.
difference between connecting and not connecting. So we'll just plug the battery in as if the bike was closed up.
Key
Drum
on?
roll.
Is the key on?
Oh, maybe it's on. Ooh.
No whammies.
Ooh.
No way.
Ooh.
Are we in a harness scenario?
Oh man. Someone make a pot of coffee. All right. So let's run harness.
Just gonna run external, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. No way. Straight to display?
Yeah.
So that'll be an EO7 brake error, throttle error.
Everything error.
Yeah.
Is that you have a single code for an everything error?
Battery.
Battery plates. All right, like and subscribe.
This is our primary.
Oh.
So what we have here is a combination of problems.
You think?
Maybe.
Nah, what are we missing? Battery?
We tried a different battery. An easy
Is that 36 charged?
36.
Yeah, it's got an XT60 on it.
No, where's the 48 at? Where's the 40 in the shop? Yeah.
Oh my. Very interesting. I don't know. I don't know. What are we missing?
Here we go. Play it like the guitar. Makes it easier for testing.
I know. You look so cool doing it.
Feel like the dude from Back to the Future.
So what do you think?
Doc
If this
Brown.
actually indeed works, then we have to come back to the battery, and then it could be the plate. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay.
All right, so now
We have to check
reverse.
check all the goodies.
We did.
God darn, kids are hard on stuff.
I think it may be the battery plate.
Battery plate itself, yeah.
Yeah.
Could be. We get to plug this cable back in.
Your favorite.
All right.
Oh, I just want to say that you look cool. If anybody wants to make fun of me for being the dual battery guy, they just need to take a look at you right now.
Where is the battery plate at then? If it's just a.
Do you have the external adapter?
Yeah, I mean, I could.
Do you have the one from the kit, the ElectricAllWheel kit? In the cabinet?
No. Oh, you are right.
It is the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't have that entry in the voting.
No. Holy moly. Who would have guessed?
Right.
Let me see
They
that
didn't
thing.
send that in the package.
No
The
way.
cables are a little mushed right there. Doesn't look like enough to break the wire off, but maybe it broke the connection
Yeah,
where the
whatever's
wire
going on
goes
inside
to
of it. So how did you do that? You plugged into your leads with your the Brad special?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The,
Okay. So after all of that, what was your conversation with Lectric? They said they just sent out the controller, the display, the harness.
Yeah, they said it should be one of these things. If it's not, call back. But they didn't even
No,
guess.
sir.
Yeah.
The battery plate.
Hopefully, I have one of those here, and I can get the guy.
Get him rocking.
I don't know if this is the same as on the other electrics.
No, I don't think so.
It's different.
It's a 4-screw here.
Oh yeah, the other ones are 5.
Yeah, they have the 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Son of a gun.
Well, that's why they bring their stuff to you, Brad.
Right. Yeah. Yep. Well, tomorrow I'll get back on the phone with Lectric and get some more parts ordered, and
And that'll be that.
yeah.